Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. I will be live at 11 p.m. Central Time. I appreciate if you please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can find out when I post my next video. And if you guys want to join the training group, link to join is in the description below. So let's kind of look at Ethereum. I just did a video on Ethereum Bitcoin, but I want to just talk about Ethereum in general. And I also want to talk about the fact, are we going into a bear market? By the way, I also want to let you guys know I'll be live tonight at 11 p.m. Central Time. I'll be live Thursday at 11 p.m. Central Time. That is to make up for the Monday stream when I didn't go live. And I'll be live on Saturday at 11 p.m. Central Time. So 3 times in 1 week. But anyways, I don't believe the bear market's here yet. But we have to be open-minded. I continue to see new lows and lower highs and lower lows for Ethereum. And again, I've said this most recently in the last video that I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm more and more of a Bitcoin maxi than I ever thought I'd be. And if I ever had to hold any coins, it'd be Bitcoin and Solana. But if I would be happy at this point to only hold Bitcoin. I don't care how much or how little Bitcoin you have, even if it's only 1/10 of a Bitcoin, I'd still be happy with that because I trust what Bitcoin can do long term, and I don't trust these altcoins. Even Ethereum, which is the second biggest asset in the world, continues to not have made a new all-time high in this bull cycle. Maybe it happens eventually, but if Bitcoin has already put the top in, Ethereum is not going to make an all-time high this bull cycle. I do not believe it would. And right now, Ethereum is in a bear flag on the 4-hour time frame. These dump about 70% of the time. Your measure move would take you down to basically $1,200, $1,212, and 32 cents, give or take a little bit. And that's just what I see going on for Ethereum. This is most likely scenario by the books. This happens 7 out of 10 times. The saving grace that could happen here is that the 4-hour time frame is oversold. If we jump up to the daily time frame, that's oversold. If you go up to the 3-day time frame, that is oversold. But then you look at the weekly, well, that's actually oversold too. Monthly's actually oversold. And that tells you in a bull market, when you see weekly, monthly, 3-day, daily, all oversold, that tells you the thing has not been doing very well. It just doesn't look very good to me. But at the same time, that is a sign that you are either very much due for a massive bounce, or there's no buying momentum, there's no buying power, and people just don't trust it anymore. I mean, there's no use case for it. A lot of the people that bought Ethereum to trade meme coins have moved over to Solana because there's no fees over there. So here's what I like to say. Show me the charts, and I'll show you the news. I don't know if there's going to be some massive bearish news or what coming out for Ethereum, but this thing looks like it's about to be done for this cycle, and it made a lower high on the weekly time frame if the high is in for this cycle. So to me, I'd just be cautious now. At this point, I go down to the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour doing? Well, the 1 hour, to me, that's a mini bear flag. Alexa, stop, please. The 1 hour time frame is like the RSI is getting overbought, and the price never really got much of a bounce. The half-hour time frame, that is definitely a bear flag on the half-hour time frame, and this is just not looking good. Actually, at that, yeah, bear flag, symmetrical triangle. Nah, that's a bear flag. It's not even a symmetrical triangle. So this right now on the half-hour time frame would get you. Let me go back out. Would get you for a lower low. I mean, you had that wick low, but most recent lower low, that would get you down to 24.43, and that would be the start of the move out of the bear flag to the downside. Then you'd have to be looking for 21.47 as support. If you break 21.47, though, I'd be looking for new lows on Ethereum. Not new all-time lows, obviously, but new lows for this cycle. And Ethereum, to me, doesn't look good. Now, I know this is an Ethereum video, and this is going to be a longer video than I usually make, but even like if you look at the 4-hour time frame on Bitcoin, and let me go to another Bitcoin chart so I can kind of just refresh one. So let me just remove all my drawings. And the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, actually, to be honest with you, doesn't look much better. And this is, again, just like we have on Ethereum, this is a descending triangle. These break down 70% of the time. Again, your saving grace is that Bitcoin is oversold on the 4-hour time frame. But the problem is that this is a descending triangle, and these break down most of the time. And honestly, if Bitcoin cannot hold $95,000, it's pretty likely that you're going down to $65,000 on Bitcoin. So I'd just be watching this. I think you have some support at 80,000 as well, but overall, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the entire market looks like it's about to dump. I personally, in a short-term short on Bitcoin, I am in a short on Bitcoin. I entered this trade this morning on the 50-minute time frame, and I am just in a short on it. My take profit is down here at this support at 94,400. We'll see what happens. I told my trading group about this as well, so we'll see what happens. But overall, this does not look very good. Today, when did I post this? I know I posted something about it. 6:59 a.m. I said, you lose a 200-day on the 15-minute time frame. Most of the time you dump to the 30-minute. And I posted this. I know I talked about the short I was in. Yeah, my take profit, 94,500. That is my take profit right now for the Bitcoin short. So we'll see what happens, but I'm not liking what I'm seeing on Bitcoin short term. But going back to Ethereum, it looks very bearish to me. Ethereum, just like I said in my last video, has been underperforming Bitcoin this entire bull run. And if you just held Ethereum and it went sideways for this entire cycle, this chart would still be going down because Bitcoin has made a new all-time high, while Ethereum has been nowhere near the all-time high. In fact, if we go back to Ethereum, the all-time high on Ethereum is $4,900, give or take, a little bit less than that. And Ethereum this cycle, I know there's a lot of charts stuff here. So Ethereum with this cycle only got up to 41.21. It was kind of close to the all-time high, but it did not hit the all-time high. So to me right now, Ethereum, just massively bearish. And I'm going to leave it at that. This is becoming a long video. But to me, my point being, I would never touch Ethereum again unless something drastic changes. And I don't know why there would ever be a use case for this again. Because, again, you have Solana being a massive competitor that doesn't charge fees for the meme coins. And also Solana is just way faster than Ethereum. So, again, why would you use Ethereum? It doesn't make sense to me. And I think Solana is going to become the second biggest cryptocurrency. Maybe it's the next cycle, but I believe no later than the end of next cycle, Ethereum is going to be the second biggest cryptocurrency in the world behind Bitcoin. And that's just my opinion. That's my prediction. We'll see what happens. I'll see you guys in live stream at 11 p.m. Central Time in about 45 minutes. Cheers and adios, and thank you guys for sticking around.